please unmute the video feed. And Mr. Madden, if there's anything that you'd like to say on your own behalf, you're welcome to say it at this time.
Well, I would like to say something, Your Honor. I found it. I'm truly sorry to my family, to Michaela, Sherry, Ginger, Morgan, Megan, Maya, not no Megan, Maya, Morgan, and Jim, Alex, and Brandon, John, and all of her friends, Carlita, Christy, and Dawn, and I told Mr. Wilder that I'm responsible, that I committed this offense, and I told him how, and I told him what happened. I went into detail, and I told him what happened, and for some reason he chose to allow the state to perform an act up there and state that I tried to hide everything that I'd done, and as if I didn't do it. I never mentioned that one time that I didn't do it. I told these officers, these deputies, that I'd done it, and he knows that too. And for whatever reason, the mistake decided he decided not to put up the exhibit number that I requested. He never pulled up the phone records. He never went and asked for the. Have you ever seen a murder trial where there's never been the interview produced to be seen? Not even on TV and A and B movies, but I understand why. He had an agenda, and but at this point in time,
I'm objecting to that.
I accept the court's decision.
Sustained.
But it's if there's anyone out there that wants to get to the bottom of it, and you're able to come and really see, you see that that there's some discrepancies here that aren't matching up, and there's so many that I could put you on the trail to, and the kibbles and bits are laying right on the floor. But when you're poor, this man I never saw for almost 4 months.
All right, Mr. Madden, I'm going to interrupt you. Okay, let's go ahead and mute it.
2 days before it was time to look at the trial discussion, now he says, hey, listen, I'm going to be able to prove through logs that I showed up.
Okay.
You don't have to mute it. You don't have to mute it. I'll stop going into detail, but I'll tell you this.
I'm interested in hearing anything that you want to tell me as to why I should give you, how I should sentence you.
Well, I just want you to know this. To my family, you know, all the years. If it would please you to know that somebody is suffering, I don't presume to know the pain that you're going through. I don't presume to know the pain that you're going through. But and I don't understand it. But I can tell you, you don't know the pain that I'm going through, knowing that I'm the one that caused this tragedy, and if there's any solace, there's any silver lining in knowing that when I go to bed, it's on my mind. When I wake up in the morning, that's on my mind. When I think about SeaWorld in San Diego, I think about walking on the beach in Florida, the chalet in Gatlinburg in February. I think about all the years, all the meals that we've had together, the Christmases, the Thanksgivings, the summers. These feelings, these emotions are.
All right. It appears the audio has been turned off at this time. Any objections to that, Mr. Wilder?
To the audio being
Yes, sir.
No objection to that. I would If I may.
You
because
may.
we didn't televise.
Yes, sir.
Without getting into specifics, obviously honoring the attorney-client privilege that I've held with Mr. Madden for 9 months, I can say that the specifics of the before, during, and after were never brought to my attention. Thank you.
Thank you.